How to loop or repeat an animation in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background and a rectangle mask. Attach rectangle to background and background to Media Out. Select the rectangle, change its width and height, and move it to the left of the screen. Move the playhead to the start of the composition and click on diamond button next to center to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 15 and drag the rectangle to the right of the screen to create the second keyframe. Now we have this animation and I want to repeat it. Open up the spline panel and check the rectangle. Click on this button to see all the keyframes, then click on this button to select all the keyframes. Press F to add a curve to the line. Click on this ping-pong button to repeat the animation for the entire length of the composition. Here you can see that the box moves to the right, and then moves to the left, although we didn't create any animation for moving the box to the left. Let's undo the last change. This time click on the Set Loop button. And now the animation loops for the entire length of the composition. It starts from the left and ends on the right, which is the animation that we created. And that's 2 ways that we can loop the animation. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.